It's not only taste that can be tantalised here in Margaret River. Vasse Virgin allows you to create your own perfume. With locally and internationally sourced ingredients, you can really make a splash.
So,
I haven't made your choice easy, have I?
you haven't actually. I was going to say the pressure's on here. I'm steering more towards the citrusy one now,
Perfect.
to be honest.
I think it's really important, especially when you're doing stuff with naturals, is that you go for what your first impression is, because
Yep.
sometimes that's not only what you like, but what you need.
Okay, well, I'm going to lock that one in.
Awesome.
Thanks, mate.
Alrighty, we'll move these other two out of the way and let's have some fun.
Alrighty.
Once you've picked your base note, you then go on to choose your mid and top notes. The base fragrance lasts longest, while the top notes are immediate but disappear first. I had a lot of fun doing this, and the verdict on Eau de Jolie?
Beautiful.
All right.
I reckon you've done a really good job.
As well as perfumes, Vasse Virgin has other beauty and food products. And with all this choice, it's nice to know your American Express is warmly welcomed.